Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to transfer USDT from Binance to your Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to secure your assets or an experienced trader managing your portfolio, this guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Binance account and Trust Wallet app set up and verified. Open your Binance app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your USDT is held. Next, head over to your Trust Wallet. If you haven't added USDT yet, go to the Receive option for the BEP20 or ERC20 network. Double-check which one you're using, as Binance often defaults to BEP20 for faster, cheaper transfers in 2025. Copy the wallet address displayed on your screen. This is crucial, so don't skip this step. Now, back on Binance, go to the Withdraw tab. Select USDT from the drop-down menu, paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet, and choose the correct network to match. BEP20 if that's what you're using. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees to avoid any issues. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. This includes the address, amount, and network to prevent any costly mistakes. Once you're sure, click Withdraw, and you'll get a confirmation code. Enter it to finalize the transaction. Sit tight. The transfer should take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to see your USDT safely arrived. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and use two-factor authentication for added security. And that's it, folks. You've just successfully transferred USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.